2 sine theta plus square root of 3 is equal to 0. Theta is between 0 and 2 pi. We're going to subtract square root of 3 from both sides. 2 sine theta is equal to negative square root of 3. When we divide both sides by 2, sine theta is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. We're looking for the arc whose sine is negative square root of 3 over 2. The reference angle theta prime, according to the reference triangle, theta prime is pi over 3. Sine pi over 3 square root of 3 over 2. Now, we are looking for an arc whose sine is negative square root of 3 over 2. Therefore, we're going to use the reference angle in order to find the quadrant in which sine is negative. The reference angle is pi over 3, and sine is negative in the third quadrant, which will be pi plus pi over 3, and in the fourth quadrant, which would be 2 pi minus pi over 3. So theta will be equal to pi plus pi over 3, and pi is 3 pi over 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 4 pi over 3 if sine is located in the third quadrant, or theta is equal to 2 pi minus pi over 3. 2 pi over 1, we multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi over 3. So the solution set in the interval 0 to pi will be 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Consider the equation sine 2 theta is equal to 1/2, and theta is located between 0 and 2 pi. Sine 2 theta is equal to 1/2 means that 2 theta will be equal to the arc whose sine is 1/2. So the arc whose sine is 1/2, according to the reference triangle, is pi over 6. So on one side, we're going to have sine 2 theta is equal to pi over 6. And the second sign to be positive and have the same ratio as pi over 6 is pi minus pi over 6, which is 6 pi over 6 minus pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. Or 2 theta is equal to 5 pi over 6. Now to get theta, we are going to multiply both sides by 1 over 2, 1/2. So half of 2 theta is equal to 1/2 of pi over 6. Therefore, theta is equal to pi over 12. Or half of 2 theta is equal to 1/2 of 5 pi over 6. The two cancel. theta is equal to 5 pi 2 times 6, 12. 5 pi over 12. We need to remember that for sine 2 theta, when the argument is 2 theta, the period is 2 pi over 2. So the period for sine 2 theta is pi. We're going to have 2 cycles between 0 and 2 pi. And since the cycle is pi, we're going to have 2 more solutions. The first solution, of course, is theta is equal to pi over 12, a cycle of pi. Then the second solution will be pi over 12 plus pi, and pi is 12 pi over 12. Therefore, theta is equal to 13 pi over 12. The second set of solution, if theta is 5 pi over 12 and the period is pi, so the second solution will be 5 pi over 12 plus pi, which is 12 pi over 12. So theta is equal to 17 pi over 12. So the solution set will be pi over 12, 5 pi over 12, 13 pi over 12, or 17 pi over 12. Remember that theta is between 0 and 2 pi.